Hey, this is Alex with ReVampTV. Welcome back. A common thought that repair shops have is, why should I be selling accessories when the point of my business is to repair phones? Sounds like a logical argument, right? Makes sense. But I'm here today to give you some concrete reasons as to why selling accessories could be the next game changer in your business. The biggest and maybe most obvious reason why selling accessories could be a good step for your company is the profit margins. The profit margins for some of these accessory brands are insane. 50%, 60%, even upwards of 70% profit margins are gonna make you a lot of money without you having to put too much out to actually get those in-house in your store. Getting approved to sell some of these brands is extremely easy as well. There's a blanket brand approval process that covers a ton of brands such as Casemate, Gear4, Incipio, M-Edge, MyCharge, Night Eyes, Samsung, Spec, Urbanista, and Tesco's own Ventev. Other brands like OtterBox and LifeProof have their own brand approval processes, but these two are extremely easy and don't take much time at all. It's totally worth it too with those profit margins, as I said before. Some of these brands are even household names at this point, so they pretty much sell themselves. Another big reason to sell accessories in your store is to develop customer relationships. Say someone is in your repair shop and they're already in distress because they broke their phone or they broke their phone screen. They're discouraged, they want to avoid this happening again in the future. So what better way to prevent that than to provide them with a nice case and a nice screen protector to protect that phone from future damage. It's one of those things where you want to go to a repair shop where you can trust their words and trust what they have to say, and whether it be a case or a screen protector, these are preventative measures to take when you're trying to prevent your phone from breaking. If you have a screen protector on the phone or you have a case on the phone and you provide those for those customers, your customers will look upon you with respect and look at you as someone they can trust. Breaking a phone or a phone screen is a pretty devastating thing, not just because it costs money to repair, but sometimes you have to go days without your phone, and nobody wants to do that in this day and age. So the best way to prevent that and to give your customers that peace of mind is to provide them with other options that prevent these things from happening. The customers want to go to a repair shop that actually cares about them and doesn't just look at them as an opportunity to make more money. That's a good way to make sure that you can instill this ideology in your customers every day. In the past, especially with Apple, the ever-changing shape of phones led to dead stock in repair shops, which kind of turned them away from housing accessories, because if the 5S or a similar phone is relevant for a year or two, and there's no other phones that are compatible with those accessories become dead stock, because once the 6 and the 7 and the 8 and the 10 come to replace it, those are just dead stock and they're taking up shelf space for no reason. The key things to think about here are relevance and shelf life. Something like the 5S will eventually become absolutely useless because there will come a time when almost no one is using the 5S. So those cases can't really be used for anything. They're just dead stock, like I said before. But a case that came out for the 6S or the 7 or the 8 or eventually whatever phones come out next, those all fit each other. So the case that was made for the 6S has a shelf life of 2, 3, 4 years to come. So you don't have to worry about dead stock as much as you used to. Here are some statistics as far as who uses what phones in the United States of America today. You'll notice that the 6S is the most popular phone still, even with the arrival of the 7, 8, and 10. Accessories such as phone cases fit the 6, 7, and 8, so that's 3 generations of phones covered. A case that you've had on your shelf for a while that was for the 6S is also going to fit the 7 and the 8. And so it doesn't become dead stock, but it stays relevant for much longer, and you can rest assured that you will be selling these and that they won't be on your shelf forever. And let's not forget, in addition to phone cases and screen protectors, there are other types of accessories that can do really well for you. Let's not forget about phone chargers and headphones, 2 other things that everyone needs in their everyday life. If there's a customer coming into your store and they're getting their phone repaired, chances are they're going to be in your store not once but twice for sure to pick up their phone. So think about when they're coming back. You have the chance to encourage them to buy a phone case, a screen protector, headphones, phone chargers, things that everyone needs but doesn't realize how much they need it until it's in front of them. This is a good chance for you to capitalize on the multiple visits that your customers will inevitably have due to the repair process. This opens a lot of doors for more profit for you and more peace of mind for the customers. 2 things that should be extremely important to you. I hope this helps. I hope this opens some eyes as far as why accessories are so important to carry in your stores. I'm Alex with ReVampTV. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Please like and subscribe as we have a lot of cool content coming in 2018. Expect weekly videos that span anywhere from reviews, tutorials, to contests, and other similar things. I'm Alex with ReVampTV, and I'll see you in the next one.